Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, your SS teacher, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Hiswa. I am going to start subject SPL of Standard 7, and this is second chapter and first video lecture on this topic, role of government in health. Dear students, as we have discussed out the first chapter and find out about the equality which should lies in our society. So, being the social and being the democratic, we are also expecting that our government, as being an democratic citizen, we also expect that our government should also give us all type of facilities, like in the form of the health, education, sanitation, water, and residence. These all type of facilities should be given by the government. So let us discuss in next two chapters about them one by one. Next is, what is health? About the health, we also mean to say that health is our ability to remain free or illness and injury. It means we can also tell it as, but no, it can also shows that the health, it only doesn't tells us about the injuries. It also tell us about the situation that happens with the health problems. Like you can also say that apart from disease, we also used to think that which are the factors which also affect to our health, like the contaminated water, like the polluted water. That is also a source through which, if you will drink the water, we will also get injuries, we will also get sick, and this will lead to a meager situation in our life, or we will also not get the adequate food, or we will not get the proper food. Then it will also lead to a worse condition for our life. So all of us, we ever used to like to be active and good spirit, whatever in which we are doing or whatever we will do. So it's it isn't healthy to be dull, inactive, anxious, and scared for long stretches of time. We all need that to be without mental strain. All of these various aspects of our lives are part of health. It means remain free from all type of strains and ever be active. That is also a part of our health. It means if we are free from the all kinds of disease, and if we are doing well in our work, and if we are practicing whatever we want to do, it means that type of thing also comes in our health. Here a box is given here. From this box you will find out that the different kind of situation are given. One type, on one hand side, left hand side, the example is given there. On right hand side, the results are given. So like one of the, I am telling you, like the 15,000 doctors they used to ever qualify every year in our country. But most of the rural peoples who are settled in the rural areas, they are ever uh, away from the medical treatment, because all the peoples, all the doctors, they ever used to settle in the urban areas. So those peoples, they have to travel a long distance to take the proper treatment. As well as the there were 2717 hospital in India, but during 1991 there were 11,174 hospital, and in 2000 this number grew up to 18,218 hospital. It means you will see these data, then you will find out that the number of hospitals, these are going gradually. But on the other hand side, you will see that the 5 lakh peoples die from tuberculosis every year, and the this number was almost unchanged since the independence, and 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year. And these numbers is also not going to decrease, as we are watching that on one hand side we having our number, our potential, we are increasing it, our hospitals we are increasing, but on the other hand side we will also see that the peoples and the disease and the deaths, these are also increasing. These are also increasing because in the government healthcare, people's, those doctors, those workers who are working there, they are also not working properly, as well as the due to the rapid increase in the population also leads to such type of situation. As in order to prevent the treat illness, we need appropriate health care such as health center, health laboratories for testing, ambulance and service, and blood banks. These are the common things which are the requirement for the health services. So this is the major role of the government. And these we having also the responsibility that we should also aware, give the information to the government that these type of facilities are not available in our particular areas, as well as the in order to run the such facility we also need the health worker, nurses, qualified doctors and other professionals who can give the advice and diagnose the treat illness. We also need the medicine and equipments for necessary for treating the patients, as these facilities are required to take care of us. It means the different type of measure, different type of things, also requirement for the proper taking care of the health centers, like the large number of hospitals, the clinics are available in our country, but it has a considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. Like we can say, the system of hospital and health center run by the government, it has ability to look after the health of a large section of its population scattered over hundred of thousand. But what we ever used to see that due to the uh, inferiority, or you can see the due to the lackness of some of the peoples, these system ever used to be dull, and those who are in the privates, they ever charge more money for the same treatment, or the same treatment which they can get in low amount of fee. This type of situation ever used to comes in our. Apart from all these things, we all having the healthcare facilities, we all having the doctors, but due to the paradox, due to the orthodox situation, the peoples, they are not getting well treatment, as well as the person who are engaged in these criteria, they are also not doing their work well. That's why the government hospitals and government healthcare centers, these are also getting deprived day by day, as we will see that our country which has the money, knowledge and people with experience but cannot make the necessary healthcare available to all. This is happening also because that the population and their requirement, these are in large amount, but whenever we'll see that if a large chaos situation is observed, or it is get birth, then we ever don't used to control one by one. One of the incidents here, it is given about the Hashim Sheikh, who was the member of PBKMS, it means Paschim Bang Khet Mazdoor Samiti. He was member of the PBKMS, an organization of the agricultural labor in West Bengal. On 1992, on an evening, he get accident by falling from the train, and he get the suffered from the head injuries, and as the blood was uh, coming out, so he having the serious condition and need the immediate treatment. But many of the peoples, they took the Hasim Sheikh to different government hospitals as well as the different health centers, but no one has admitted the Hasim Sheikh, as this was the critical situation and Hasim Sheikh was in requirement of urgent treatment, but no one has admitted the Hasim Sheikh. This shows that what kind of mentality, what kind of prejudice the having the peoples who are working in the government hospitals. Wherever the settlement of government hospitals has already ensure that the welfare of the public should be done by this. But finally, one of the hospital where the Hasim Sheikh was admitted and further he was cured. But finally, what happened that eight of the different government hospitals, it was situated in Calcutta, they has finally refused to admit the Hasim Sheikh. And finally, what was happened that Hasim Sheikh and his organization finally filed the case in the court against the government hospital. This type of situation ever used to be happen. This is the one of the incidents is given here. So we are also ever used to see that such type of incidents ever used to happen in our society. So we also have to, being an democratic citizen, we also have to be aware about our rights, that what are our rights and what the rights which have been given by the government. So if any rights are given by the government, we should not avoid it. Wherever we should take profit from it. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.